In this video, I will show you how to copy trade on the Bybit app. So first, simply go and open up the Bybit app. Then from the home screen right here, you will see the copy trading option, so click on that. Now here you can even get the 100 USDT loss coverage. So I recommend just clicking on claim right there in order to get that. But after doing that, just go to the trader that you want to copy. For example, you can sort by top traders by ROI, top balanced traders, or whatever else you would like to do. Now, for example, I'll go by top traders ROI. And let's say I would like to copy the person at the top right here who has an ROI of 42% in the last 7 days. Then I can go and click on copy right here. Then just choose how much you would like to invest. Now the minimum investment kind of differs on which trader you are going to copy. In my case right here, it's 50 USDT. So make sure that you have some USDT. If you don't, simply click on the plus at the bottom right of the investment box. And then here you can go and deposit the crypto from external wallets or deposit money and then use that money to buy the USDT. So then just go and enter how much you would like to do, for example 50, and then once you have that in your account, you can click on copy now, and then you will be copying this trader's trades. So now you know how to copy trade on the Bybit app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.